Well guys, it's Derek from the Sideshow Guys here in the garage again, working on a Polaris. We posted a video the other day there about chopping a cage on a stock 800 RZR. Things got a lot out of hand, had a lot of questions, got a few comments and stuff, so just show you where we're at. This is where we're at now. We got a nice convertible here. We got the cage completely off. Unbolted it all. We're in deep on this one. I think it would have been easier just to get a custom cage for it, but we got a plan. We got some ideas. We'll stay at it. Let's see what we come up with. We'll show you what we get into here in a few more minutes, what my plan is and how it looks. Well, we're back again here. As you can see, we're starting to put the cage back on. We've come up with a solution. So we got the front half on. We'll see if the back half fits. Well, we're back again here. This is Derek of the Sideshow Guys. You can see I got one of our hoodies on. We got some hoodies for sale. We got some t-shirts. They got the name on the front. They got a saying on the back. Be sure to check those out. This is just an update on our RZR 800 after the cage chop. I ran into some issues trying to get things to line up on the cage chop, so I stopped recording. I wasn't quite sure what to do. We reached out on YouTube there, got some ideas. Some people are saying buy a pipe bender. Some are saying to redo the rear mounts to get things to line up. So this is just a little update on what I did and some of the other things I've done to the RZR 800 to get it ready. We got a ride coming up that we need this machine for. We're gonna have all three machines out, so we should have a good group with us. We'll have all three machines, get some content. Hopefully the 800 lasts and runs all right. Remains to be seen, so we'll do a little walk around here. We got her all cleaned up. She could use a little TLC yet, but we're gonna see how she works. So we do have the cage chop all done. As I said, I did cut the bars up here so it pivot, and then I did cut it here as well. I got this taped up because of the wire here, but I did cut it here, and I did redo the lower ones here, the mounts, to get things to line up and readjust it. As you can see, this bar here, we had to modify it because these bars here are moved farther forward, because we couldn't really move this bar anywhere or do much with it because of our snorkels. Of course, we got her plated now. She's all legal for the trails. We still got our lights and our stereo roof here. And as I said before, we couldn't modify any of this here because of the way the bars fit up into the roof. So we still got our stereo, play some tunes on the rides, but can't do that and record, or we can't get monetized for the video. So we'll use it now and then. We're tuning from the roads. Of course, you know it's got the Pro Armor doors on it. It's got the ITP wheels that are still in good shape. Lots of tread on them. Got the Moose rims. She's been quite the machine. We got some different seats in it, I think. We upgraded them as well. We did a power steering kit in this as well. We got our PRP bag over there. The power steering kit has been night and day. It really improved this machine, made it much safer to drive. Before, when you're driving, if you hit a stump or a good rock, that steering wheel would just jerk right out of your hand. So this power steering kit prevents that, makes it much better. And then our latest upgrade here is the Milwaukee boxes. So I had two Milwaukee boxes that I took out of the Talon because I'd have a different setup there now. We got these in here. We use the wall mount plate down on the bottom here, so they clip in and out just like so. There's the plate we use, just like that, back in. Nice and handy to snap them out, snap them in for power washing it, so forth. Lots of storage in them. Lots of storage in them there. We got them empty right now. Whoever drives this, they'll have boxes to put their lunch in, or their snacks, or their TP, whatever. We did all the fluids in it, front diff, rear diff, fresh engine oil, transmission oil. We didn't record that, it's pretty basic, so, but she does have all fresh fluids in it, ready to go, because like I said, we got about a 3-day weekend coming up that this here is going to be really put to the test. Make sure it lasts the whole weekend. Of course, down here you can see this is diff number 3. We got it in there, fresh fluid in it. We'll see if it lasts the weekend or not. So yeah, that's kind of it. Like I said, I didn't record the cage, kind of got in over my head with it, so I shut the cameras off and we just were all business getting it into place. We had ratchet straps on this bar here, pulling it down and pulling it back, getting it into place. There's a lot of chaos. I thought I had a camera rolling, but the battery died in it, so the footage isn't much good. Did a lot of work without the camera rolling, so can't really put a video together of what all we did, but it tested my skills. But we got her done. Looks much better. Flattened the roof out. Instead of it being on a big angle like this, it flattened her right out. I think it looks really good now. I'm very happy with the machine. Of course, we put the Super ATV harnesses in it because whoever's driving this, we want them to be good and safe, no issues. And if they get in deep, it does have the snorkels on it. Don't plan on going deep with this. The only problem we do have with the Milwaukee boxes though is, like, if you open these up, the snorkels are prevented from, like, the lid staying open, so people might complain about that. That's the only downfall. But I couldn't mount them any farther back here because you need space to pull them back to unclip them, so that's the best I could do. Hopefully they don't complain too much about that. People should just be grabbing what they want and that's it, in there for 2 seconds. Of course, we got the half windshield on. So this is just a short video. Hopefully you guys like this one. We may do some more work on it, clean it up some more yet. We'll see how it goes and how much people enjoy driving it. We got some stuff in the works for it though. You'll see it probably on the channel much more with some people driving it. Eric and I might be driving it. The girls might be driving it. Who knows? It'll be a guessing game who's going to be driving the 800 on the trails this summer. That's why we went to the bigger trailer here as well, so we can take 2 machines. We got the RV over there because we do have some long weekend camping trips planned, as well as some overnight weekend ones. We're gonna hopefully do a little more camping this summer, do some rides with a few different people. Of course, we'll be riding with Don's ATV Adventure the majority of the time, but we might do a few rides with some other people just to get out and do some different stuff. So that's it for this video. Be sure to like and subscribe and follow along, see what we do with this 800, and we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.